Welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are doing February 2019's Birchbox. Want to see what's in there? Sit back, take a break with us. If you are new here, welcome. If you are returning, thank you for coming back. We do lots of makeup related things, subscription boxes, trying new things, and we post new videos every Sunday and Wednesday and sometimes in between. Now that I rambled all that off, if you like videos like this, subscribe before you go. If you do not know, Birchbox is
$10 a month.
$10 a month. You get 5 usually sample-y, deluxe size samples, sometimes full-size beauty-related items. And
They're usually small.
They're usually small, but sometimes you'll get a full-size like lipstick or something in there, haven't you? Don't you think the Birchbox is more like
Smaller, higher
end things, but also more like skincare heavy than like Ipsy, for example?
Maybe, yeah.
Okay.
Ready?
Did you see the box for this one? That's so cute. Okay, go ahead. What you got?
Wilma Schumann European Skincare Hydrating Collagen Eye Pads.
Full size of these is $18. It says these pads are infused with pure collagen to hydrate, depuff, and plump the delicate under eye area. To use, place one under each eye and leave on for 20 minutes. What you doing?
Just checking the color on that. This is a
Cella
tantalizing
taupe
eyebrow color, but why is it so light?
Taupe is supposed to be,
Don't think that's gonna work.
I wish I could tell. So I actually just not decluttered, it was gone. And a thing from them that I got in BoxyCharm, and the color was taupe.
I don't know, I don't think that's gonna work for me.
It was actually tantalizing taupe was what it was, and it worked for me. Universal shade, that's what I was trying to think of. Taupe is generally a universal shade, or can be.
Okay.
So, it wasn't that, it was more like a cream, but I really liked it. I don't know, Avene?
Hydrants cream. This is for
It's a moisturizer.
hands, face.
It doesn't say.
Interesting.
Full size of that is $32. The Chocolate Eyebrow Pencil, full size is $20. Do you think that's full size? I don't know.
I'm not gonna like unroll it because then you will roll back up.
Right. So it just says this moisturizer not only immediately quenches dry skin, but it also restores skin's moisture barrier and balances hydration levels for long-lasting suppleness. But it doesn't say if it's like a lotion or if it's like...
It smells like a regular lotion.
Mm-hmm. It does smell like a hand cream or something.
Soft.
It smells nice, though. It's pleasant.
I don't know.
It is soft. Kind of like that baby freshy kind of smell.
Next is Extension Plus Skyline. Marcel's the brand, right?
Yes.
Mascara. Is Skyline the color?
Marcel, I don't know.
Is this blue?
I wouldn't think so. This clump-free mascara's ultra skinny brush helps to curl and lift every lash while adding length for definition for a wide-eyed appearance. I would guess Extension Plus Skyline.
I need help with that.
Full size of that's $15. I don't think it's blue.
Help me. The plastic is stuck to me.
It'd be shocking if it was blue and it was in Birchbox. No, but look how little that wand is. That would be really good, probably for doing your lower lash line.
Wet it.
What?
So wet it?
Oh, I thought you said wet it.
I don't ever do my lower lashes.
All the little plastics.
Then lastly we have Jura
I don't know.
Candle Nut Body Cream. Smooths, moisturizes, softens skin. It says apply on skin anytime it feels dry.
Non-greasy softness
Doesn't
that
say if
lasts
it's
and
base
lasts. I am guessing it's just like a body cream. It says it's a body cream.
Does it?
Yeah.
Let's try it, I guess.
Full size, that's $35. That's kind of weird that you got two, like...
Sample hand creams.
Yeah, pretty much. My tummy itches.
It's alright. I mean, I probably would never buy either one of those.
Right.
I mean,
not
to be honest, no.
One was 35 and the other one was 50.
I'm sure they're
32.
lovely, but I'm more of a $5 lotion person. So, you know.
What do you think about this month?
No. To be honest, I'm probably not going to renew it.
No.
I'm coming up on my last 2 months here.
Okay.
And, I mean, they're okay, but I don't think it was worth $8.
Yeah, she only paid like $8 because she signed up for like a
sure.
year
Yeah.
subscription. So,
Definitely
I mean,
not worth 10.
No.
Not to me,
lotiony things aren't fun things to get and try. I mean, they're nice to have throw in your purse, but there's like 2 of them in here, and that's kind of silly. You love mascara.
I do use eyebrow thingy, so I'll try it. Obviously, I should be putting some more on there, probably.
You have eyebrows? No, I'm just kidding.
You're one to talk.
What do you mean?
Your eyebrows are small, too.
I know, I'm just messing with you.
Well,
Do they look that small?
I don't have a response for that.
They don't look that small, though.
They're about the same size as mine. Yes,
Yeah, but I have ends to mine.
We're gonna...
Where'd your ends go?
What? I have no response. I'm trying to think of a really good one, but...
It's late.
Yeah.
I know, it's always late. Alright, if you like... Oh, okay.
That's sexy, right?
That's gorgeous.
I really should glue my eyebrows, like, professionally.
I can tattoo them on for you.
Oh, thank you.
I bet Maybelline
I've done this before.
It didn't go well?
They were very large, I think. I'm just not used to it, maybe.
Alright, that was Birchbox for February. Did I say it was January in the beginning?
No, you said February.
Okay.
I think.
I don't know. If
Pretty
I
sure.
said January, it's actually February.
I think you did it right.
Okay, that's good.
I might have noticed.
We're thinking. If you like videos like this, please subscribe before you go. We would greatly appreciate it. We post new videos every Sunday and Wednesday, and we would love to see you there. Have a great, great day. Bye-bye. Bye. I don't know what these are. Spirit fingers?
Jazz hands? You hold on to your anger, and the angry eyebrows will get you.
Well, I hold on to my anger, and my forehead wrinkles get me.
Okay.